Kamusta mga kabayan? I'm Anna Apostol Armada, one of the licensed immigration advisors dito sa Aroha, New Zealand Immigration. I came to New Zealand in 2018 on a working holiday visa, and this year, I'm now a New Zealand citizen. Ano-ano nga ba yung benefits ng pagiging isang New Zealand citizen or resident? Unang-una, dito sa New Zealand mga kabayan, ramdam na ramdam nyo talaga yung work-life balance. Employers respect your days and hours outside of work. You also don't feel overworked, and meron kang time to pursue your passions outside of work or spend time with your family and friends. Second, there is also universal healthcare in New Zealand. This means na kung resident or citizen ka, libre or subsidize yung healthcare ninyo. This is very personal to me because last year, nanganak ako via emergency cesarean section, and yung baby namin had a health condition that required multiple major surgeries, several specialist appointments, and very expensive medical supplies. What would have cost us millions of pesos in the Philippines, dito sa New Zealand, libre lahat namin nakuha. Wala kaming binayaran sa hospital, hindi na kami ng problema sa gastos at a very difficult time. Subsidized din po ang education at school tuition fees dito. So kung ang anak ninyo, they attend a state school na government-owned and funded, libre po ang tuition fees. Another thing that I really love about living here in New Zealand, it's such a peaceful country with beautiful landscapes. Literally po mga kabayan, the grass is so much greener talaga dito sa New Zealand. Libre po ang access to most major parks, sa mga beaches, and maraming nature trip na pwedeng gawin without having to spend so much. Finally, if you are a New Zealand citizen, you can consider yourself lucky to have a New Zealand passport because it is ranked as one of the most powerful in the world with visa-free entry to 148 countries. These are just some of the many blessings that I'm thankful for every day ngayong nandito na kami ng pamilya ko sa New Zealand. Ikaw, nag-iisip ka din bang mag-migrate to a country where you can enjoy all these benefits and more? Kung gusto mong malaman if New Zealand is a suitable migration destination for you, just register using the link below for our free immigration webinar. Together, we'll help you discover the residence and temporary visa options that may be available to you and your family. Kaya naman, save the date mga kabayan on the 7th of December 2024. That's 6 p.m. New Zealand time or 1 p.m. Philippine time. See you there mga kabayan!